sharing you guys free information for nothing. You're not winning. You're not understanding. Let a problem. And let a problem. Like you guys, like relevant knowledge day by day, free classes. Man, now I could say like alimamili, I think, right. Who do you think is teaching me to know that I need to change certain things in order that to kill something? Problem le na le bona re tsa 100k this week, next week le nyako fitla le tsa 100k. Na e ka se kgonale. Wena tla tlo aim at 10k, it will be easy for you. I'm told. You're telling them I'm telling them too much. The reason now today, this is not a man, like there's not something that any mentor doesn't know. The reason today of code thing is because we killed CPI a lot of time, man. Until I don't know other mentors, but we've been killing it, man. Like from CPI, I can say my group made like $1 million from CPI last day, like with all of us. Until with all of us, if I were to calculate, we made like $1 million, because every broker changes when we start posting, man. Sometimes this is what we learn now. We're no longer gonna be posting what we do, fundamentals. Maybe we're gonna show you guys the withdrawals. We end up posting secrets by mistake. We posted secrets, like a lot of secrets, man. Like I remember that time we made 400k, man. Like everyone milked the broker very hard. Until so they had to change certain things. So when you change certain things, unfortunately, Snug and King managed to jump into the other broker. Oh, they milked it very hard. And when they milked it, they made like, all of them, they were like, I think their profit was like 300k in all, you understand? So the funny shit is we post. When we post, man, we just want to show you how we kill this thing, understand? And then we posting for this nonsense to see where we enter and how do we enter, and for them to focus on us and never do that. I don't understand why yesterday things were like that, man. Like 1,000 couldn't enter a trade. Understand? But on NFP it entered, but yesterday they didn't. Like I told you, I'm not gonna mention any brokers, but all we did to us that we regret is for us posting. Man, if you can come to our DM, there's almost 100 mentors. If I count from me 50, my niggas maybe 100 mentors trying to know how do we kill it. So when every mentors came, even the brokers were watching, bro, was like, nah, man, we're gonna die for this one. So they started this shitty thing called off code. I feel like an off code is just a system. There's nothing explaining off code. It's just a system that is there for you guys to enter certain trades. So when they see how you guys manipulate it, they get clever. Yeah, they get more clever, you understand? So one thing about the other broker, what it did is they did off code on bigger lot size. Remember, man, like guys, we are here to fuck up the game. So what we did is like we went to intelligent to see that 0.1 can enter. So we were to enter like maybe 30 0.1s. And 0.1s is nice, man, because when the market is buying, you keep on going with the market. Not like lot size, when it's going opposite, it blows. 0.1, you only go with it once it goes your direction, understand? So that's when they made like a lot of cash. And then now 0.1 on 10k enter 3 trades. I was like, these people can see, man, like they're watching. Even it's 2 trades. They're watching. And don't be proud, man. Like, okay, yesterday my broker worked for me, right? And then the other broker didn't work. Don't be proud if the one didn't work. It's going to adjust what the other is doing. Man, this thing is the same thing. The system, this one will get the same system and use it. So we are actually fighting systems. But man, you need to make sure that like you have to, like, this is a must. You need to adjust. You can never sit at one place using the same thing. Brokers improve every day. The market improves. Man, I will tell you, sit down with me and then we enter a trade. It says, of course, I'll tell you that the broker is playing its part today. I'm not gonna blame the broker, but I'm going to learn on the off-code part. I don't know if I can enter here, I'm gonna milk them. And then when I milk you, you come again, you improve, I improve. Guys, there's no way I'm not gonna kill them. Even if they can put it 30 minutes before, I'm inside, already inside. The way I analyze it's hard. You can go and ask my student, will tell you they entered yesterday. I gave them the right time. They entered. I gave them a time whereby I knew 2 minutes, all of them will be inside. Understand? Currently now, everyone is waiting for withdrawals. I'm not gonna be joking and saying any funny thing. Guys, like yesterday we milked. They do the same thing to you. Guys, do you know that I do experience off code? Like, without no lie, man. My students knows very well I do experience that. There's nothing that you're gonna experience that I won't experience. You know why? Because when we make money, we're making money out of them. You understand? The problem comes when you, not my student, experiencing a certain things which I'm not gonna teach you because you're not my student. You need to come on the board so that I teach you. I'm not gonna teach you how to remove it or anything, just to avoid it. Understand? Yesterday we killed it with Ninja. Like, tell those people, man. Like, people made money in my group, man. Like, this is not something that I'm praising or anything or embracing, but that's what happened yesterday, man. The right time. We entered at the right time. I entered with them at the right time. We relaxed. We'll be like, what's going on, my G's? The next thing, man, when CPI came, sold. When it sold, man, everyone was seeing a lot of cash. Saw like 50K, couldn't close, man. Like, oh, let me hold 200. It reversed. Closed like approximately 30K. Came back again, fought it again until it was 50K. You understand? So the problem is the time, man. My student could come into the group and say, man, in my DM and say, hey Joe, can you please send the signal before what? And I'll be like, yeah, you're right, man, because we need to avoid certain things. Yeah, I'll be like, oh yeah. And then I'm going to my student idea. I'll be like, okay, let me fix this and this and that. Now, today we entered. First CPI we entered. Second CPI, I believe we're gonna enter. Understand? So the other one says gamblers. You know, sometimes when someone says you're a gambler, he's not actually swearing at you. Understand? He's praising you. Understand? Because you need to understand that one can gamble and make 100,000 and one cannot gamble and make 0. Who's making money at the end of the day? It's the one who